Come test drive the 2016 Chrysler 200. This mid-sized sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, front wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, front performance tires, rear performance tires, variable speed intermittent wipers. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.